Hello there everybody and welcome back. My name is Daniel. I no longer need a nickname because the validation I seeked was inside me the entire time, Valvo. In this satisfying and cathartic end to my nickname arc could not have come at a better time, because this is the last chapter in our 63 episode math series. I think the thing I've cherished the most throughout this entire series are the relationships. Like the relationship I have with my good friend and editor Nick Brown. Or like proportional relationships and graphs, which is what we're doing today. It's not over yet. Now we have talked about proportional relationships before. Like how we can determine how long it would take a car to travel 5 miles based on how long it took to go 2 miles. And we've talked about graphs before. Like the graph y equals 4x, for example. But can we put them together to make predictions about the future? Okay, now you're just covering it. We can't literally smush them together. I'm saying the ideas. Okay, it doesn't matter. The answer is yes. Yes, yes.